Well, ow. Damn it. I saw something really weird in the woods here last time I was here. Maybe if I see it again this time I'll catch it on video. But that was in an earlier video, I don't know. It seemed like I was tweaking in the video, but I did see something weird as hell. Sheesh. Oh my god. That is a nice one. Oh, sheesh. I never caught him this big in here. Look at that. Look at that. I choked it. This one's a male here. You can see his hooked mouth. Definitely by far legal, but he did get gut hooked, so looks like I'm gonna have to keep this guy. I wanna mostly do catch and release, but especially with guys like this big. I got him on a stick of a stringer. See if I can get the hook set on camera for this one. Another nice one. Sheesh. Look at that. Another nice one on. This one's got a beautiful orange belly. Oh, shit. Fell off. It's okay, he fell in the water. Another nice one here. Look at that orange belly on that. Beautiful colors. Absolutely gorgeous. As with all these brook trout. Oh, there he goes. That's a good pass. Snag. Oh. Oh no. Get off of that line. Get off of those lines. Holy shit. Sheesh. This one's about the same size as the other one. They're all freaking massive through here. That is awesome. That is awesome. The last few years they were half the size of this. This one's bleeding from the gills. I'm gonna have to keep this one as well. But look at this. 7 inches is the legal size. Trout are not hardy fish. They will die if they are bleeding from the gills, and they will die if you wipe off their slime coat. You just gotta be real careful if you're releasing trout. So, this guy is also gonna be kept. Real nice guy. Holy crap. This is... They're both around the same size. Number 4, actually. Another one about the same size. Another choker. They're all deep throatening, but... There you go. Another nice little guy, definitely above 7 inches. What I'm using here is just a half of a worm, half a nightcrawler on a really small hook with 4-pound test. And that definitely does the trick. Alright. Well, heading out. Got some fishies. Alright, so shout out to my girlfriend Kendall. She gave me this recipe here, but so I got some olive oil thrown on this. Gonna put some lemon and some garlic powder. Oh, that's a lot of garlic powder. Some salt and some lemon pepper. Okay, that's a lot. But we're just gonna toss it in here. Put this baby up in some butter. Oh yeah. Drop the GoPro into the pan, which is not optimal. Alright. He is very well done. Gotta push them down because they always curl up when you cook them. Although I am getting a bit of shrapnel in my hands. Alright. Put that boy over.